Hello, everybody. I'm back again. So today I thought I'd jump in and share this new little creations I made. Um, Somebody had messaged me or left me a message on YouTube saying if I was gonna sell, the little, um, where's that other one? These little thingies that I made. If I was gonna sell them, I was gonna add them to some journals, but since they asked, I decided to do, except this one goes with this one, but somebody in my family liked it, so now I have to make another one to add another one. It's supposed to be 4 kits, but because of that, it's 3 now. So I'm going to try to get another one out there as soon as I can, get that envelope going. But I made these large envelopes out of music sheets, and I just love the way they turned out, guys. These are old vintage book pages, and I sorry for my hands, and I put two pages, and then I sewed around them, and I did use my stains, so I love the way they came out. They just have a little bit of a glossy finish to it. And then I distressed them as well. Actually, I distressed them before I added the stains, just to give it a little more kick to it. And so this is what I came up with. I think these are from my porch prints, and I think these are from Artie Mays, and I think this one is from Tracy Fox. So yeah, hopefully I remember everything. And these also go with Artie Mays. Now these, oh, I need to put a little bit of glue there. These little labels, I'm not sure where I got them from, but I just went ahead and did some collaging. And yeah, I had so much fun today. I was actually working on some journals and decided to just stop and do this, just to change the rhythm a little bit. So I want to show you guys what's going to be, or what's in here. Move those out of the way, and see. Let's see what's inside. Hold on, I need a quick sip of my tea. Okay, sorry guys. So let's go in. I just used copy dyed seam binding. I'm not sure, it looks like a pinkish peach, I want to say. So I just used that as the closure, because even though I put stains and it made it more sturdy, because the paper, it's old, the music sheet, I don't want to make a hole and tie it up. I think that's just pushing it. But yeah, just a bunch of laces, cheesecloth, a little flower, and I went ahead and added this button just to add a little bit of bling. So that's the outside. So let's go on the inside. And like I said, it's just a large envelope. Here I didn't really do anything. I just added a little bit of collage, little bit there. And then on the inside, that's what I've been doing these last couple of days, just ephemera. I got a couple of journals going. So I love the feel to it. So let's leave that there. So for this one, it comes with one of these. This could be used. I guess I should get a book real quick here. Get this bee book. I haven't touched this one yet, but this would be like a side tuck or a belly band. So I left it blank on the back, so you would just glue it from here to here, or here, here, and here, and that will make a cute little tuck. And then it has one of these journaling cards that I made, so that would be cute, just peeking out in there. So yeah, you get one of those. Move this journal out of the way. And then I've been making some tags. So I use some stains. I've been seeing a lot of people, especially Tatty Treasures, use a lot of tabs. I've never used tabs actually. So I use one of my boards and just cut some out, and then I stamped on it, and then I used my stains. So that was fun. But yeah, I need to do more of that. I think that's so cute. Now here, I just went ahead and added one of these paper clips, and this is the ones that I did. I think I did a tutorial on these, I think. So you get one of those, and I think it's a total of 8 pieces. And then one of these. just a little booklet that you can wrap around the page in your book, and you got some ephemera there, little stuff going there. And like I said, you can just add this on the side to the journal or just stick it onto a pocket. Here's another cute little journaling card, and these again are from Artie Mays. Oh, I just got these not too long ago and I can't remember who, but okay, we'll skip that. So it's blank on the back. You can use it, actually glue it down. We'll move more to the top. You can glue it down to a page and use it as a tuck, or you can just use it as a tag and stick it in the pocket. Now I went ahead and made a smaller tag. How cute is this? I need to make more of these. I only made 3. These were gifted to me, these little price tag thingies, and they had a number already. That number was already there, so I just did a little stamping on around it, put a butterfly on the back, and I just popped it there with one of these little light bulb or ball pins. I'm not sure what they're called. I just added an eyelet there and then just hung it. And then this is from my porch prints, this little stamp thingy here. And then I added this number here, not sure where it came from. And these little mushrooms are part of the collaging that I had done in the background. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. I really like these, so I need to make more. And then you guys have seen this one. So these were the items that they asked me if I was going to sell. So I was thinking of adding them to some of the journals I'm making, but I could always make more. Since they asked, I figured, okay, I'm just gonna please. I'm aiming to please as always. So I'll just show it. I've already shown this one before, but this is just a little journal pad. And then you got another little pocket here, and then you got a tag here. I did a little bit of stamping on the back. Actually, I should leave this open so I could reach this tag. And then a little bit of stamping there. So yeah, I had shown this, but just for those that haven't seen it, there's a tutorial out there on my channel, not too far, because it's not too long ago that I made it. I think it's my last video. But anyways, okay, so that is in this kit. So yeah, I've been having so much fun making ephemera, guys, but you know, I ended up using some up to create these kits, which is fine because I've been making a lot and I'm enjoying myself, and I plan to make more. So yeah, they fit really nice in here. I love it, and I love the way these envelopes turned out. So cute. So yeah, so let's, so I don't forget. So the next one down is this one here. Take the seam binding, and this one has like a brown one, and here added a little button, and it has like a little pearl. Sorry if my light is not that good, guys. And this one opens. Well, let me get a closer look at the back. I love that rose, beautiful. Again, Artie Mays, my porch prints, and Tracy Fox. So let's go in this one. So close that down, pop that one back there. Again, on this one, another cute little tag. These are so cute. So yeah, those are so adorable. I need to make more. And then I had shown a tutorial, I think, on these, using these well, it was glassine bags, but this is a paper one. Yeah, this is a paper one. So it's just stuffed with little small itty bitty pieces. So those just pop in there, and then on the front pocket you get these little itty bitty ones. So yeah, these are so cute to make. And you just, it's a paper clip, so you just pop it onto your page. Really cute. Oh, we already showed that one. And then this one again is one of the ones that I did the tutorial on. I'll just go through it really quick. So this, Artie Mays, space for journaling, shabby dabby doodah, And then here you got a cute little notepad. And then in here you have a cute little tag, again, shabby dabby doodah. And I'm working on a journal on that one. And then I just added some ephemera in the inside. And then this is just a coffee dyed page for you to journal, for more journaling. So those just pop back there. And this, I'm just gonna pop it in there so it don't be flappy all over the place. And then on the back, you got this pocket here. Again, Artie Mays, a tag, and this image came from Shabby Dabby Doodah. And then you got another cute little tag here. I love this pocket. I love it. So yeah, that goes, whoops, this way. So that's the envelope flappy insert. I don't know what to call it. I should number them better. I don't know what to call it. Another cute little tag that I made. Can't remember where these came from. And then this one here. Now this one I already had. I don't know if I made a video on it, but this is using copy dyed paper. So you have a pocket there. And then you have a pocket here, and I just added a little tab. And then in here, you got a little back, if I can get it out, a little back pocket. So that's in there. If I can pop it back in there. Oh, wait, there's something else. That's why. You have, oh, this is just a little pocket to add. I should have added a tag. I forgot that was in there. But yeah, it's for a little tag. And then this large one. So that just pops there, and then on this side it opens, so you have a little, like a little folder, and then you have a tag here, and then this large little, I don't know where this one came from, and then you just have that cute little thing there, and then here, beautiful roses. So yeah, you can't cover that. So that's cute. And then this one is just one of these book page pockets. I just tore you know, the front so it could look a little more grungy. I didn't distress the back, so it could be glued down as a tuck or glued down completely. And this is the tag I made. These are numbers from a kit from what's her name? Next Booksmith. Ah, okay, that one. And then you get this little pieces of stuff. You get this journaling tag. Again, could be a tag or could be a tuck if you glue it down here and here. And then this is just, again, either a belly band or a put it at the end of the page, and it's just a little cute little tuck. So that's this one, guys. So this one barely fit. Actually, it didn't fit all the way. There, I have to turn the little, what do you call it, lace. So that's that one. Oh, wait. I don't want to forget what goes with what. And then this one is with a cute little butterfly. And again, a bunch of layering of a doily vintage lace and some cheesecloth, and again, little butterfly. And then be happy. And then again, the same on this one. And then let's look at the back. I love, love, love the way they turned out, guys. I'm so proud of myself. So let's go in. Oh, I didn't leave anything in there, did I? Thought I felt something. So again, here we have another one of those cute little tags. Love it. Love those butterflies. I mean bees. Here's the one of those envelope pocket thingies I made. Little notepad there. And then on the front, got a, whoops, I pulled both tags. Got a cute tag there. And this one goes in the back. And that goes here. Tie it really quick. Yesterday I was putting the waters. We went to buy bottled waters for the house. I dinged myself putting it in. God, that hurt it. Cute little envelope. And I just added this piece for the closure. And I just have this piece of ephemera. That's cute. I like that. And then a cute little tag. And then, oh, cute little, you could put a paper clip if you want to use it as a little paper clip, but I was going to use it as a tuck. You just glue on the side, pop it on the top, and then you can just tuck stuff in there. So cute. And then this one here, just went ahead and did some layering. Got a cute little tag. And then in here, got these two. And then way on the back, we got a plain alteration card. Tag. And this could be glued. I left it blank, but you can glue it again here and here, and then use it as a tuck, or glue it all the way, or you could even leave it as a floating little tag pocket thingy. Here again, another little journaling tag I made. And then here is another cute little book page pocket. And I just made a little tag to go in there. Again, just did some tearing. These images, I'm not sure where those came from. Those I already had them printed out for a while. And here's another cute little tag. I love that kit from Artie Mays. Those roses are just beautiful. So that's this kit, guys. And they will be listed on my shop as soon as I get a chance. I'm hoping to do that after this video. I will list them by, I guess I'm going to name them. This one's Be Happy. The second one I showed is Just a Thought. And the first one I showed is called Blessed. Okay, so that's what I'm going to list them at. And then hopefully I can get the other one done and pop it up there. But yes, I love these envelopes. I think I'm going to keep doing them. I actually want, I'm thinking, well, actually my friend gave me the idea. See, you can make cute little small journals and it fits perfectly. And I have some of these already made. I just haven't decorated them. But look at that. So that will be coming up soon. Some of these awesome envelopes with cute little journals inside instead of ephemera. So, but yeah, let's put that over there. So yeah, these will be listed, like I said, if anybody's interested. They should be in there soon. But thank you so much for watching. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.